Hi guys, hope everybody is well. Not sure about you, but third lockdown fatigue is definitely getting to me. And as a result, I'm finding myself wandering around the house picking up all of those little snags that I've left for the last few years. So, this video comes with a caveat, okay? And that is no names. But when we moved in here, I've got a friend of mine who is a qualified carpenter to come in and hang the doors. You know, you help your friends out, right? Surely. Unfortunately, he wasn't the best at hanging doors, and I will give you an example of this. So, this is the door to the dressing room. As you can see, it rubs on the carpet when it shuts. And these are the screws on the hinges. So what he's done is, when the door needed shaving down, he shaved too much off the one side. So now this is very thin. So we can't shave any more off. Not that we need to, because the screws are literally going into nothing. Not sure if you can see from there, but the screws are going into nothing there. They won't bite at all. And when we needed to shave the door down to stop it rubbing, you'd think this would be an easy fix. Just shave some more off here, right? But because he's already shaved everything off the bottom and nothing off the top, there is now nothing left. Only a very, very small, minute piece of board left in there. So if we take any more off the bottom of here, that is hollow. So this was a pretty common problem, and I say pretty common. By that I mean every door in the house that he hung was like that. So we fixed almost all of them, and that is the one remaining door, and I'm getting serious earache for it. So that's my project for the next couple of weeks, is get somebody in and fix the effing door. Employ the professionals. Don't cut corners.